Welcome guys. In this video, we'll be doing some troubleshooting. Number one thing, let me just stop this communication from both the side so that we will do a troubleshooting in firewalls. So I need a checkpoint side PC. I think this is the right guy. So this is the other side and this is the checkpoint side. Okay. What I will do, I'll first go to the gateway of checkpoint and let me just clear up the screen so that you guys are able to see what I'm doing here. Let's increase the font a little bit. So change setting, go to the appearance, change this, and I have something like 14. Okay, apply. So now I think you guys will see well. Let me do one thing. Let me say set expert password. So we'll set expert mode password so that we can work from the expert mode as well. And save the config so that even if the gateway reboot, the config will not change. All right, let me go to the expert mode. And here, let me just clear up the screen for you guys. So now what we will do, we'll run a debug. Before that, do one thing. Just have this mode change, CP change mode, change shell. I need to change it from bin bash for admin. And let's do this. So okay, something miss. Bin bash admin. Do I need this option? Okay. Change cell dash yes. I can do it like this as well. Admin bin bash. Oh, something is missing. Bin bash. Okay, change got sale got changed. Let's do one thing. Let's start with the VPN debug trunk. But before that, let's do one thing. Let's log into the WinSCP and jump into the location where the files will be stored. So let's say a new site, give it IP 192.168.50.128, username admin, give it a password, accept, continue. We are here, the location will be root. From root, you need to go to the OPT directory, from OPT to the cpsuite RA210, then FW1, and from here to the log. And here I want to go somewhere near to IKE. If you see here, this guy. Now what we will do, we'll just run a VPN debug, VPN debug trunk, and what we'll do, we'll clear essays so that we'll be capturing all the right traffic. Okay, let me quit, and from here let's go to this guy. Let me check what IP it has. So it's a checkpoint side. Let me just go ahead and do the ping to the other side. Okay, ping started. Let me just stop debug, VPN debug off. Okay. Now here let's refresh and we should see some IK file, which is this guy. So let me just delete this. Oh, it's okay. Let's go to the desktop and create a folder. Let me just give it a name to that folder, like a 40. Okay. And here, let me just add this file. Now let's go to the download. Here I have this IK view and I can just import the file which is just created. All right, and this is the tunnel with the other side, as you can see, 55556, and here I can see my quick mode and main mode packet exchange. Okay, both looks good. 6 packets here, 3 packets here, which gives me indication that the tunnel is up and running and we are sending and receiving the correct interesting traffic, right? I hope you found this video informative, and thanks for watching this video, guys, and have a wonderful day.